Hello friends, welcome to Chamcash. Do you know that I'm earning $1 million just by installing some apps in my phone? Want to know how? Would you like to earn like me? If yes, then here is your answer. Chamcash is an Android application through which by installing some apps in your smartphone, you can earn $1 million without doing any investment and very easily. Chamcash is an 100% free application through which you can now earn real earnings too. Let's know about how you can earn money through Chamcash by referring it to your friends. Initially, install Chamcash in your smartphone. After that, click on Invite and Earn menu. To invite your friends on Chamcash, select any message from the list. As you select your message, now select any social media profile like Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. on which you want to promote your referral link. As through your shared link, if any of your friend installs Chamcash app, registers on it, accepts the challenge, and as he completes the challenge by installing some apps in his smartphone, then as he completes 100% challenge and opens all apps for 30 seconds, then you will receive its referral income immediately. And in the transaction section of Chamcash, your earnings will reflect instantly. Now let's know how our network marketing process works. After completing challenge by your friend, we are distributing its payment up to 7 levels. Let's know how. Suppose user A refers B, then due to B joining A will get 50% of payment from it. If B refers C, then A will again earn 10% commission from it, and C refers D, then A gets 10% commission from D. If D refers E, then A again gets 10% from it, and E refers F, A gets again 10% from it. If F refers G, then A gets its 5% commission, and G refers H, then A again gets 5% commission from it. In the same way, A is earning from its 7th level H also. And we are distributing total earnings up to 7 levels. Remember, there is no limitations on joinings at level 1. You can join as many friends directly. It means A can join unlimited friends at level 1. In the same manner, every person can refer unlimited friends to join with him, and you can earn up to 7 levels and can earn millions. In the same way, your friends can earn unlimited with us too. So guys, it's real to earn millions with us. Let's know how much you can earn from our MLM system. Suppose we have to distribute $2 per success referral, then we will distribute in this way. At level 1 means for direct referrals, A will get 50% commission from it. And if A refers 10 friends at his level 1 successfully, then A will get $1 from each referral. So you will earn $10 at level 1. In the same way, A will get 10% from its level 2. And if every person of level 2 refers at least his 10 friends, then there will be 100 joinings for A, and A will get 20 cents from each referral. So from level 2, this A will earn $20. Now A will get 10% from its level 3. If at level 3 every person refers at least 10 persons, then A will have 1000 friends at his level 3. So for 1000 joinings, A will get $200 earnings from level 3. At level 4, A is again getting 10% commission. If every person refers 10 friends, then there will be 10,000 joinings for A at level 4. In the same way, A will earn 10% from level 5, and if every friend joins 100 friends, then at level 5 there will be 1 lakh joinings in your network, and you will earn $20,000 from it. At level 6, you will receive 5% commission from referrals. There will be 1 million joinings at level 6 if every referral refers 10 people, and you can earn $1 lakh from level 6. At last level 7, you will earn 5% commission from it, and there will be 10 million joinings in level 7. So you can earn $1 million from 7th level by just referring Chamcash to your friends. This example is only of 10 joinings per person. Everyone can join unlimited friends in his network and can earn unlimited. According to our earning chart, at 7 levels, every user can earn more than $1 million by just referring Chamcash to 10 friends. To earn more, then start referring Chamcash to more friends. Friends, start using Champcash to fulfill your all dreams and earn unlimited. Start referring Champcash today. Do you know Champcash is world's first 100% free network application? There are no hidden charges to use Champcash. We are not forcing any hidden charges to use our network system. In this way, you have to just complete the challenge and ask your friends to do the same. Let's know which are the methods through which we can withdraw our earned money. First, you can withdraw your money through bank or PayPal. Second, you can recharge any prepaid mobile through your earned money. And third, you can use our e-gift cards to withdraw your earned money, through which you can do shopping from e-commerce websites. So in this way, you can earn unlimited just by sitting at home. Would you like to be like me? Then visit Google Play Store today and search for Champcash application and install it immediately. Earn like champions and become champion. All the best.